In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up workflows in Monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just starting to explore the capabilities of Monday.com, workflows can tremendously boost your team's efficiency by automating repetitive tasks and structuring processes. So let's dive right in and get your workflows up and running. First things first, you need to install the Workflow Hub, a crucial step to unlock all its features on Monday.com. To do this, begin by opening the Monday Marketplace. You can easily access it by clicking on the puzzle icon located on the top right bar of your screen. This marketplace is where you'll find various apps and integrations that can enhance your Monday.com experience. Once you're in the marketplace, type Workflow Hub into the search bar and proceed to install the app. This step is seamless and shouldn't take much of your time. After installation, you'll be prompted to choose the specific projects and workspaces where you want to apply the workflow feature. Take a moment to think about which projects could benefit the most from structured workflows and select those accordingly. Make sure you've got the right projects lined up to make the most of your new tool. Now that the Workflow Hub is installed and your projects or workspaces have been chosen, head over to your project board. You'll notice a new tab specifically for workflows has appeared at the top. Click on it, and this is where the magic begins. This new view provides you with a powerful overview of your workflow's current state and future opportunities. To start editing your workflow, look for the Edit Workflow button on the top right corner and give it a click. This feature grants you full control to shape your workflow as per your team's unique needs. Moving over to the top left of the interface, here you have the option to select the specific column you wish to create workflows for. This flexibility allows you to tailor different workflows for each aspect of your project as required. Now, you're ready to get creative. Begin by dragging and dropping statuses and labels onto your board. This interactive way of constructing workflows is intuitive and user-friendly. Simply connect them as needed to visualize your process. With each drag and adjustment, you'll be creating a streamlined workflow that's not only easy to follow, but incredibly effective in accelerating your team's productivity. And there you have it. Your workflow is ready to guide your projects towards success. With everything set up, you're now equipped with a powerful tool that simplifies complex processes, helps in avoiding bottlenecks, and ultimately ensures that everyone's on the same page. Dive in, explore, and make adjustments as your project evolves. Enjoy the newfound efficiency and keep innovating with your workflows in Monday.com.